Hey guys, we should go on a trip.
I don't know, you always get sick.
You're right, everything he says or he reads, he's saying that he hasn't.
No, we don't.
They all thought about the time when the narrator felt sick.
I'm feeling very tired.
Me too, but I think it would be great for us.
Well, if you say so.
And where are we going to sleep?
I was actually thinking about going in a boat and sleeping in a tent.
But what if it rains?
Well, if it rains, we'll sleep at a hotel.
Okay.
Have a problem with that.
What?
Well, I think that if we go on a boat, we will feel very sick, and we will probably have tons of problems with putting up the tent.
Oh, shut up.
When do we start packing?